Hello and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today we are making a very simple one, okay? It's waakye, but we are not going to be using waakye leaves or sorghum leaves, and we are going to make use of the red beans rather than the normal black-eyed beans you'd use for your waakye, okay? But stay with me and let's see how this turned out. So the night before, I soaked my red beans and then thoroughly washed them the following morning. And then I'll put in my saucepan and add enough water. So the goal is not to add any more water when I add in the rice. So make sure to add enough water to finish cooking the beans through, and then also continue to cook the waakye in entirety when you add the rice. I also added some baking soda to help cook the beans faster because these beans are pretty hard as compared to the black-eyed beans, okay? But after about 40 minutes, they were soft to my preference, and then I went ahead to add in my washed rice. So the baking soda added will also help it get a bit of color, I mean the waakye, okay? So once the rice is added, I'll give it a very good mix to make sure that the beans and all the grains of rice are mixed properly, and then add in some salt and then cover and allow this to cook on low heat. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below on your way out, and also share when you're done watching the videos. Yes, not just this video, but all my videos, okay? So after 10 minutes, I'm back to check up on my waakye and it's looking good. I'll give this a very good mix and then allow it to finish cooking on low heat for about 5 to 10 extra minutes. The texture of your waakye is solely dependent on you, okay? You can add in more or less water depending on how one, okay, or soft you like your waakye. So in case you want to eat waakye at home and you don't have the leaves, you do not have a problem. Just cook your beans with your rice and you're good to go. You can even use the black-eyed beans, okay? Cook it together. If it's not rice and peas, rice and beans, whatever you want to call it, it is waakye, okay? And then you can enjoy it with anything you want to enjoy it with. It's the festive season and I hope you enjoy some love and warmth with your family and friends. And also glance through my channel, okay? Pick some recipes and make some at home and then let everybody enjoy, okay? And also Ghana decides tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is the election day. I hope we do this peacefully and wisely. And until we meet again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.